Lesson 62. How to say that in Latin.
Ille, illa, illud are our words for that in this lesson.
So a few lessons ago, you learned how to say this. We learned about hic, hike, and hoc. We learned that this kind of word is called a demonstrative. And so we want you to be sure that you use the proper gender of demonstrative with the noun that it's accompanying.
Right, so we have examples here like ille vir, illa femina, and illud oppidum.
So ille is masculine, nominative singular, illa, feminine, nominative singular, and illud, neuter, nominative singular. In this book, you will not learn genitive, dative, accusative, or ablative forms of these demonstratives. We just want to start you out slow with these basic nominative forms.
Well, why don't we talk about some of the ways we shouldn't use ille, illa, illud? Because I found that a lot of students want to translate just the word directly into English and use it for every kind of that we have.
So just from teaching experience, you know that students tend to misuse the word.
Exactly.
So the way we're using this word in Latin is to point out something. We're saying that car, that city, that man, that woman, and we're not using it in the ways you see here at the end of the lesson. Like if I say to you, Michael, if I say, I know that you love broccoli.
It's true.
In our English sentence, we have the word that, but that's not the way we use ille, illa, illud in Latin.
Exactly. We would never use it in that way in Latin.
So a correct usage there with broccoli would be, that broccoli is my favorite. But to say, I know that you love broccoli, that's not how you use it in Latin.
It's a different kind of grammatical construction that you'll learn in your future studies.
Exactly. What about the sentence, I didn't eat that much broccoli?
Nope. Still shouldn't use ille, illa, illud that way.
But in the English sentence, we have the word that, right? I didn't eat that much broccoli.
Yeah, it's just not quite the same.
Different construction. That's not how ille, illa, illud are used in Latin. So we thought it would be helpful to show you how to use them and also how not to use them.